Amazon FBA side hustle to earn up to $1,000. Your brain may already be trained to head straight to Amazon when you consider making an online purchase. If so, you're not the only one. With over 310 million active users and 100 million Prime subscribers, Amazon offers a lot of two-day shipping. The e-commerce juggernaut Amazon is rapidly expanding into new areas including streaming services, food and grocery delivery, music and video games, fashion, and even healthcare. Even smaller organizations are finding it challenging to remain competitive as a result of this vertical integration. How to sell on Amazon for beginners. You must set up your Amazon store before you can begin working toward your $1,000 per month target. E-commerce vendors have two options: selling on Amazon directly or selling on Amazon via FBA. Selling on Amazon with FBA. Because of its cutting-edge global order fulfillment networks, Amazon is the world leader in online sales. By enrolling in Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA), you may grow your business reach by storing your products in their facilities and employing FBA to pick, pack, ship, and offer customer care for your products. Consider this: if you're just starting out in e-commerce, you should invest some time in marketing your company using digital ads, SEO, content, and PR. You can at least save yourself from the burden of managing inventory, shipping, the signature procedure, and returns by selling on Amazon through FBA. Additionally, you can avoid paying staff to handle customer service issues like refunds and complaints by using Amazon's live chat, phone, and email support capabilities. FBA and their knowledge-based software database manage customer service and refunds for any orders your clients place directly. By doing this, you can focus on selling on Amazon to the best of your ability while saving time and avoiding irritation. There are yet more advantages. Due to the fact that Amazon FBA's fulfillment centers were created with a variety of merchandise in mind, you can use it to expand your business swiftly. To take part in this program, you do not need to supply a minimum quantity of products. It's affordable to store your goods in the Amazon fulfillment facilities. In essence, you pay as you go. Amazon charges for both the fulfillment of your customers' orders and storage space. Your rates already include the cost of shipping. You will be given the Amazon fulfillment facility that houses your merchandise. A variety of things can be packaged and shipped to the designated warehouse. You'll only need to properly package them and deliver them to the fulfillment center. But be sure to pay attention to the delivery location that Amazon specifies. For instance, if you send in 20 copies of a cookbook, they might divide them up into 10 for one location and 10 for another. You merely need to open an FBA account if these advantages seem worthwhile for your company. Here are the first 3 essential steps. Create your product listings and enter them manually or in bulk using the Amazon API. Make sure your products are ready to sell and ship to Amazon by preparing them. They offer a page of useful goods you might require, such as measurement instruments, packing tape, and barcode scanners. Set your goods straight to Amazon. With their relationship programs, they can offer cheaper carrier rates and let you follow your order all the way to the warehouse. Amazon accepts customer orders when you post your products and make sales, and the company then ships them for free within 2 days to Prime members from a vast network of warehouses. You are now prepared to begin selling on Amazon using FBA. Your orders will be filled by Amazon, so you can concentrate on increasing online sales. That's it for today's video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for future updates.